Welcome to my class. Because of the question I solved last week on identifying an oxidizing agent in a redox reaction, someone sent this question to me to solve. Which behaves as a reducing agent? They are asking us which compound, which ion, which molecule, which species behaves as a reducing agent, and we have the option. Okay, let me just do it in this way in a short while. First of all, increase in oxidation number tells us that oxidation has occurred, while decrease in oxidation number tells us that reduction occurred. And another definition you will not forget is an oxidizing agent will always have itself reduced at the end of the reaction, while a reducing agent will have itself oxidized at the end of reaction. So if you can manage these two definitions, this is very simple for you. So let us pick from this ion to this ion and from this chlorine to this chlorine, because water is a neutral molecule here. Okay, so let's go. We have this. So what is the oxidation number of ion here and here? Oxidation number of ion here is +2, while oxidation number of ion here is +3. So if you check here, there is increase in oxidation number. If there is increase in oxidation number, it means that ion 2 was oxidized to ion 3. So if ion 2 was oxidized to ion 3, which means that ion 2 is a reducing agent, because a reducing agent has itself oxidized at the end of reaction. Okay, so ion 2 here is a reducing agent. Okay, let's go from chlorine to here. We have chlorine molecule to chloride ion. This is gas, this is aqueous. Now, the oxidation number of chlorine here is 0. And the oxidation number of chlorine here is -2. So if you check here, from 0 to -2 means decrease in oxidation number, because 0 is greater than -2. So here, there is decrease in oxidation number, which means reduction occurs. It means that chlorine was reduced from 0 to -2. So if chlorine molecule or chlorine gas was reduced from 0 to -2, it means that chlorine here is an oxidizing agent, because an oxidizing agent has itself reduced at the end of reaction. So the correct option here is option A. Okay, ion 2 ion behaves as a reducing agent. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.